Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the homeopathic treatment for gallstones and gallbladder pain. So are you looking for a homeopathic treatment for gallstones and gallbladder pain? So basically in this video we will discuss about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of gallstones and gallbladder pain. So let's talk about it. So first of all, I would like to discuss about what are gallstones. So gallstones are the hard deposits of digestive fluid that can form in the gallbladder. As we all know that gallbladder is a small organ in upper right abdomen, right below our liver. It is a pouch that stores bile, a green yellowish liquid that helps in digestion. So issues with gallbladder typically occur when something is blocking its bile duct, and that is called a gallstone. Most gallstones are created when substances found in the bile like cholesterol hardens. And gallstones are very common and routinely asymptomatic. Now next we will talk about the clinical features, that is what are the signs and symptoms of gallstones and gallbladder pain. So gallstones can lead to the pain in the upper right abdomen or the center of your stomach. You may experience gallbladder pain from time to time after you eat food that are very high in fat, such as fried foods. But the pain can occur at almost any time. Pain caused by gallstones issues usually lasts for only a few hours, but it can feel severe. If gallstones are left untreated or unidentified, the symptoms may increase. The symptoms may increase to include a high temperature, rapid heartbeat, yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes, that is jaundice, itchy skin, diarrhea, chills, confusion, and loss of appetite. So these are the clinical features of gallstones. Now next we'll talk about the causes. That is what is the basic etiology that which is responsible for gallstone formation. So what are the causes? So the actual cause of the gallstone is thought to be due to the chemical imbalance of the bile inside the gallbladder. So first and the foremost cause of gallstone is too much cholesterol in your bile. Having too much cholesterol in your bile can lead to yellow cholesterol stones. These hard stones may develop if your liver makes more cholesterol than your bile can dissolve. Second cause is too much bilirubin in your bile. So bilirubin is a chemical which is produced during the normal breakdown of the RBCs. After it's created, it passes through the liver and is eventually excreted out of the body. Some conditions such as liver damage and certain blood disorders causes your liver to produce more bilirubin than it should. Pigment gallstones form when your gallbladder cannot break down the excess bilirubin. These hard stones are often dark brown or black. Third cause is concentrated bile due to full gallbladder. Your gallbladder needs to be able to empty its bile to function properly. If it fails to empty its bile content, the bile becomes overly concentrated, which can cause stones to form. So these are the basic causes which are responsible for the formation of gallstones in the gallbladder. Now next we'll talk about the risk factors. So what are the various risk factors which are responsible for gallstones formation? So some risk factors for gallstones are related to diet, while other factors are not as controllable. Uncontrollable risk factors are things like age, race, gender, and family history. Lifestyle risk factors include living with obesity, a high diet in fat or cholesterol and low in fiber, undergoing rapid weight loss, or living with type 2 diabetes, that is diabetes mellitus. And genetic risk factors include wing-born female, wing of Native American or Mexican descent, having a family history of gallstones, being 60 years or older. And medical risk factors are living with cirrhosis of liver, being pregnant, taking certain medications to lower cholesterol, taking medications with a high estrogen content, like certain birth control pills. So these are the risk factors of gallstones. Now next we'll talk about the diagnosis or the investigations for gallstones. So your doctor will perform a physical examination that includes checking your eyes and skin for visible changes in the color. A yellowish tint may be a sign of jaundice as a result of too much bilirubin in your body. The exam may involve using diagnostic tests that help your doctor see inside your body, and these tests include first ultrasound. An ultrasound produces images of your abdomen. It is a preferred imaging method to confirm that you have gallstone disease. It can also show abnormalities associated with acute cholecystitis. Second test is abdominal CT scan. This imaging test takes pictures of your liver and abdominal region. Third test is gallbladder radionuclide scan. This important scan takes about 1 hour to complete. A specialist injects a radioactive substance into your veins. The substance travels through your blood to the liver and the gallbladder. On a scan, it can reveal evidence to suggest infection or the blockage of the bile duct from stones. Now the last test for gallstone is blood test. So your doctor may order a blood test that measures the amount of bilirubin in your blood. The test also helps determine how well your liver is functioning. Okay, so these are the various diagnoses in order to confirm whether actually you are suffering from gallstones or not. Okay. Now, this was all about the diagnosis. Now, very important, now we will talk about the treatment. So basically here we are talking about the top homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of gallstones. So let's talk about the homeopathic treatment now. So first and the foremost medicine that you can see here on the screen is Celidonium. This is the best remedy for gallstones with pain. This medicine offers the best treatment for the pain due to gallstones and jaundice. When there is obstruction of the bile duct, the most important symptom for using Celidonium is pain under the right shoulder blade. In jaundice, this medicine can be used when the skin is yellowish, urine is dark in color, and stool is clay colored. During jaundice, the tongue becomes yellowish and flabby. Nausea and vomiting also occur. The patient requiring Celidonium may show a desire for very hot drinks along with above symptoms. It is also a very beneficial remedy for gallbladder complaints that occurs during pregnancy. Now, second medicine, that is Lycopodium. Lycopodium is a natural homeopathic treatment for gallstone pain when they are accompanied by gastric symptoms like acidity, gas in abdomen, bloated abdomen. The patient complains of distension of the abdomen from eating even a small quantity of food. The gas rolls in the abdomen and passes out with difficulty. The patient may complain of acidity that gets worse from taking starchy or the flatulent food. The patient may also complain of a reduced appetite and fullness feeling in the stomach on eating even a little food. There is also an unusual craving for sweets and hot drinks along with the gastric symptoms. Now let's talk about the third medicine, that is Calcarea carbonica. So Calcarea carbonica is another top natural medicine for the gallstones that is always selected constitutionally. This remedy is very beneficial for obese persons with the fatty and the flabby constitution. The abdomen contains excess of the fat with its hardness and distension. The other constitutional symptoms include profuse sweating on the head and sensitivity to the cold air. There is also an unusual craving for the boiled egg or the strange things like chalk, pencils and lime. This is called pica. The patient dislikes hot food and likes cold drinks. Calcarea carb can also be used to relieve severe belching and severe vomiting due to gallstones. Now let's talk about the fourth medicine, that is Cardis Marianas. Cardis Marianas is one of the best natural remedy when the gallbladder is inflamed. There is a pain in the right upper abdomen in gallbladder region, which is accompanied by nausea and the vomiting of the burning fluid. Cardis Marianas can also be used to treat jaundice in gallstones. Now our last medicine for the gallstone is phosphorus. Phosphorus is a natural medicine which is used for treating gallstones in patient who complains of severe belching and vomiting after eating. The patient like cold drinks, ice cream, chicken and fish in diet. This medicine is used for the treatment of jaundice when the stool is very offensive with great weakness of the body. So this was all about the top homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of gallstone and gallbladder pain. Now next we will talk about the diet and the food to eat in moderation. So to help improve your condition and reduce your risk of gallstones, try these tips. Okay, so eat fewer refined carbs like cookies and white bread and less sugar. Secondly, increase your intake of healthy fats like fish oil, olive oil, which may help your gallbladder contract and empty on a regular basis. Thirdly, eat the proper amount of fiber per day. Women need about 25 grams a day and men needs about 38 grams a day of fiber. Next, get some sort of physical activities every day. Keep yourself properly hydrated. Okay, so these are some health tips and diet and foods that you can maintain if you are suffering from gallstones. That's all for today. In this video, we have discussed about the homeopathic treatment for gallstone and gallbladder pain. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are struggling with the health issues and looking for a safe and effective alternative to conventional medicine, look no further than on clinic. We offer personalized treatment plans tailored to your unique health needs. Whether you are dealing with chronic pain, digestive issues, anxiety, or any other health concerns. Once we have developed a treatment plan, we will send you a customized homeopathic remedy kit along with the instructions on how to take the medicines. So why you're waiting? So why to wait? Book your consultation today and start your journey towards the optimal health and wellness. So here you can see here on the screen we have provided our contact number. Through this contact number you can for online consultation. Okay, so that's all, and thank you so much for watching this video.